I will just lay down right now the reason why I think we should be dating. And I've thought about this a lot. What's going to happen is I'm going to keep pursuing what I'm pursuing, and it's going to take up more and more time, and you're going to see me less and less. And when you do, I'll be distracted, I'll be upset, I'll keep playing things in my mind, and you'll start to resent me for that. At a certain point, you'll just tell me to ease up on the drumming so you can spend more time with me. And I won't be able to. In fact, I'll start to resent you for even asking me that. I feel you're dragging me down, you feel we go random, and we'll just start to hate each other. Which is why I think we should just cut off now. Clearly, for those reasons. Because I want to be great.
And you're not.
I will become the great.
And I would stop you from doing that.
Yes.
You know, I would stop you from doing that. You know that for a fact.
Yes.
And I would barely get to see you anyway.
That's right.
And when I did see you, you would treat me like shit. Because I'm just some girl who doesn't know what she wants. And you have a path. You're going to be great. And I'm going to be forgotten. And therefore, you won't be able to give me the time of day. Because you have bigger things to pursue.
That's right. That's exactly my point.
You're right. We should not be dating.
I'm glad we had this talk.
Me too.